There is no such thing as get rich quick or get rich easy, but there is a thing as getting rich quicker and smarter. And I'm not talking about scams or shortcuts. I'm talking about a smart, low effort income that actually works. We've all been told that making money means grinding for hours, but who really wants to work harder than they need to? In this video, I will break down the most common online business models and reveal the one that gives you 100% profit, zero inventory, and the freedom to start today with just your phone and Wi-Fi. So let's find the smartest, lazy way to earn together. If you're new here, my name is Mary Jane. I am a busy mom of two, and I used to think in order to earn more is to work more. But after trying multiple online businesses, I finally found something that works smarter, not harder. So if you're tired of the burnout, confusion, and wasting time on side hustles that barely pay, you are in the right place. So let's break down the 3 most common online business models by looking at 5 factors that make or break them. 1 is upfront capital. It's basically how much money or time you need to invest before you start seeing results. 2 is scalability, how easy a business can grow and how much income potential it has long term. Number 3 is fulfillment. Who's actually responsible for delivering the product or servicing or handling customer service? Number 4 is risk. It's how vulnerable a business is based on outside factors, such as platform changes, supplier issue, or legal problems. And the last one is difficulty. It's how hard it is as a beginner to start, learn the ropes, and actually earn consistent income. So we will use this to compare the most common online business models and show why many people struggle or fail with them. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing sounds easy. It's like promoting someone else's products and get a cut of the sale. But here's the truth. When it comes to upfront capitals, it's usually a low cost to start, but requires tons of time and money to spend on ads. Not only that, you only earn a small percentage. Most of the time is between 5 to 20%. That means if you want to make $1,000, you have to have a lot of sales. And to fulfill these orders, it's usually handled by the product owner. And that means you don't control the offer, delivery, or your income. And platforms can cut commissions overnight. And with this type of business model, building trust takes time. You need either an audience or you need to pay ads to see results. If you ever tried affiliate marketing, please drop affiliate in the comment below and let me know if you tried it or thought about it. One of the biggest companies out there that offers affiliate marketing is Amazon. And recently, Amazon Associates slashed commission rates from as high as 10% to as low as 3%, forcing marketers to either sell significantly more for the same earnings. Number 2 is drop shipping. Let's be honest, have you ever had a product that takes weeks for it to ship from overseas? Yes, that is drop shipping, and we've all been there. With dropshipping, upfront capital is low cost to start, but again, you'll need money for ads and tools. And of course, the earning margin is thin. And sometimes you can make about $5 to $10 per sale. And most of the time, you rely on supplies from overseas. And long shipping times equal unhappy customers. And the biggest risk, if there's any supplies issues or chargeback, you are in charge of it and it could shut down your store fast. So not only ads are expensive, returns are your problem, customer service, a nightmare. Recently in 2025, with the newly reinstated tariffs on Chinese imports and the end of the minimus rule, have dramatically increased costs, cutting into already razor-thin margins. Many small dropshippers report being pushed out unless they hike prices or find nearer alternative suppliers, adding stress and complexity. Number 3 is MLM or network marketing. MLMs promise freedom, but often deliver the opposite. You often pay to join or qualify for commissions, and you only earn when you constantly recruit. You don't own the product or the customer list, and the company can change their commission rate or shut down and you lose everything. And the difficult part is recruiting family and friends is awkward and it's not fun. So I'm curious, have you ever been invited to a business opportunity that turned out to be an MLM? If yes, drop MLM in the chat. No judgment. We've all been there. And if you didn't know, one of the biggest companies who used to do MLMs or network marketing was Motorway and Paparazzi. They actually shut down their business overnight, leaving their clients with not knowing what to do next and losing that source of income. So if you're thinking about doing MLMs or network marketing, just keep that in mind because anything can happen overnight. So now I want to share with you what changed everything for me, which is digital marketing with master resale rights. Why? Because every sales is yours. You earn 100% profit. There is no middleman. You get a done-for-you setup, the digital course, the funnel, the automation's already built. There's no inventory. It's fully digital, which means nothing to ship or return. And it's beginner friendly. You can simply use your phone and Wi-Fi. And it's a massive market. So digital education is a 400 billion industry and it's growing fast. And the best part, you learn while you earn. Everything you need is inside the program. No guessing, no wasted time. So if this is your first time hearing about digital marketing with Master Resell Right, go down to the description below and grab our freedom formula to learn more. See, I was just like you, tired, frustrated, and overwhelmed with all the options online. And just imagine getting paid while you do the things that you normally do. Making dinner, spending time with your family, going to work, or even shopping. See, that's what happened to me and other moms and dads in our community who followed this same exact business model. See, for me, my first sale came in while I was at work, just from my phone. And here's a mom who is crushing it online on her first month, earning $1,800 before 8 a.m. on a Thursday after dropping off her boys. And here's another mom who actually earned while walking her dog. See, that's when I knew I found a smarter way. And if I can do it as a full-time mom, you can too. Now, before you click away, let me know in the comments, which model have you tried? Affiliate, drop shipping, MLMs, or none yet? I'd love to hear your story. See, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and MLMs, they all have their place. But if you want simplicity, profit, and freedom, digital marketing with Master Resell Rights is the smartest, lazy way to build income. So in the next video, I will show you exactly how it works and how people in our community are earning 300 to 900 days from home by simply using their phone and Wi-Fi. So tap the next video or check out the description below to get started.